Hi boys and girls, this week in math we're learning about patterns, and today I'm going to show you a new kind of pattern. It's not like the other patterns that we've seen before. And to show you, first I'm going to show you a regular pattern, the kind that we've learned about, and then I'm going to show you the new style of pattern. So here on this page, as you can see, we have a dot, a heart, and a man, and then dot, heart, man. These were made with clay. And this is the normal type of pattern that we see. It just repeats. Here at the top of the page, we have a square design, a circle design, and a squiggly line. And then what comes next? Square design, circle design, squiggly line. Now here on the next page is a new kind of pattern. Let's take a look. As we see here, we have 1, and then what's next? Subitize those, that's 2. Good. What's next? 3. Can you subitize these blue ones? How many is that? That's 4. And then the next one is 5. And then 6 on the last one. So what is the rule of this pattern? Is it just changing colors? Red, blue, red, blue. It does, but also it does something else, right? It adds 1 on the next line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then what would be, if we added 1 more, first of all, what color do you think that would be? Well, we're alternating red and blue, so the next one would be, after blue, red. Now how many would it be? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one would be red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then add 1 more, 7. So some patterns are growing patterns. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at our Stepping Stones book, page 83. And here is some work on continuing growing patterns. It says, draw the picture, the next picture in each pattern. So the first one we see here is 1, and there's how many next? It doesn't change color, but there's, is it 2? Can you subitize these? It's not 2, it's 3. Okay? And the next one, that's 5, okay? And then the next one, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what would be the rule of this pattern? What would be the code here that we need to crack? It's 2 more, not 1 more, but 2 more on each line. See, 2 more there, makes 3 after 1. And then after 3, 2 more makes 5. And then 2 more makes 7. Okay? So what would go here on the last one? To finish it out the pattern, what would we put? This one's 7. And if we had 2 more, how many would it be? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. And I'll do this one with you. Okay? Let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to put a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, trying to match it but not quite getting there, 5, 6, and then 7. Oops, not too straight, but so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we need to, this is a growing pattern, so how many more would this one have than this one? 7. We're adding 2 more on each, right? So it would be 7, 8, and 9. Alright, so that continues the pattern. That finishes the pattern out. And as you can see how the pattern makes a nice interesting line that goes up this way? See? It just follows all the way up there. Okay, so the last one you'll do here, and take a look at this. Now what would be the rule of this pattern? 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this does what? It adds how many? It adds just 1 every time. You have 1, and then you have 1 more, and you have 1 more here, 1 more, and then 1 more, all the way to 5. And how many fish would you draw on this last line? If that's 5, how many would go next to continue the pattern, the growing pattern? Go ahead and draw those, and take a picture and upload it. Thank you for joining me today, learning about growing patterns.